If you need a new passport, part of the process of applying for one involves appearing in person in front of a passport acceptance agent. The best way to get in front of a passport acceptance agent is to go to a passport acceptance facility, and for that, you're going to need an appointment. So if you go to USPS.com and you go to their appointment scheduler, you can choose a service. I'm going to pick new passport with photo services. You're going to need fresh photos. It's a lot easier to get them done by professionals than try to do it yourself. Yes, there's a $15 fee, but it's well worth it in our opinion. I am one adult. I have no minors with me trying to get a passport as well. I'm going to search for appointments based on location. You type in a zip code nearby where you live or where you work. I'm going to cut that radius down to 10 miles, and I want locations that have passport photo options. I'm going to search. We're going to get a couple different locations that pop up, and then we'll be able to select from those whatever is most convenient for us. I'm going to go with this Voorhees location. I'll select it. They're going to check and see what appointments are available to me. We have at the Voorhees post office, this is their business hours. Their passport appointment hours are not the same, so pay attention to that. Only from 10 to 2. There are walk-in hours on Thursday. We don't recommend going for a walk-in appointment because if there's a high demand, there's a chance you walk out without being able to apply. And their appointment hours, again, are in that 10 to 2 range. I'm going to pick, let's do December 18th is not yet available for scheduling. However, things that are in white are. So I'm actually going to take the 21st. I'm going to select the date. I get to pick a time. Anything that's grayed out, like this 11:30, has already been taken. These are only 15-minute appointments. I'm going to try to get in at 11 a.m. Need to verify my identity. So I'm going to put my name in. You got to give them a phone number and an email address. Mine are concealed here. I'm going to click the send me appointment updates via text message. So that way I'm sure I don't miss it. I'm going to go with text message verification, although you can also choose email. There are terms and conditions that I strongly advise you read. I already have, so I'm going to check that off. The Privacy Act statement is just letting you know that this is not something to be messed around with. Any information you provide needs to be accurate. I'm going to send the verification code. So I'm going to wait for that to appear on my smartphone. If you're waiting like I am, it may be helpful to actually click resend code. That'll also reset that 3-minute timer. So after waiting about 30 seconds, I didn't actually get that code. So I'm going to try again via email. It automatically switches the button for you. I'm going to send that verification code. Now we'll see if my email gets what I'm looking for here. And sure enough, on my email, I got the code I needed. Submit that. My identity has been verified. I have to review and confirm my appointment details. They're telling me that it's going to be a $35 passport acceptance fee, $15 for the photo services, and they're recommending I arrive 10 minutes early, don't wear glasses, hats, headwear, or headphones in the photo. They have the address there, my contact information ready to go. As long as that is good, I hit confirm details, and I am all set. It's going to process my appointment. And there it is, appointment status confirmed. You probably want to hang on to that confirmation number just in case there's an issue. You can fill out your DS-11 application before you arrive. Make sure you have photocopies of your supporting documents, and you are all set to go. That's how you make an appointment using the USPS Passport Appointment Scheduler. You can then print or add the appointment to your calendar, and good luck getting a new passport. As always, U.S. Passport Service Guide is here to help you with any questions you have. Good luck and safe travels.